Hi, boys and girls. Mrs. Obenrader, and we're back again with another way of doing addition. And this time it's actually using cards. And we are going to be using Uno cards today. So I put on pieces of tape onto my Uno cards, and I'm going to show you here. What number was that? You got it, number 4. This is number 5. This is number 2. This is number 1, and this is number 3. So we're just going to use those cards today. Those are smaller numbers, but maybe you're ready for bigger numbers as well, and you can use other numbers that are in there, or you could use cards, just a regular deck of cards. You could use phase 10 cards, and you could use all of these as examples on how to do your math. So what we're going to do is we're going to create that number sentence. And I believe Miss Ackerman's on her Mr. Add Chat also had that number sentence. So I'm going to start off, and we're going to pick this number right here. And that is the number 4. So we can have the number 4. And then I would make that addition sign right here. We're going to add it together, and I'm going to add it to the number 2. So it would be 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2. And then at the end of that, I'm going to move this real quick. I forgot to grab my Post-it notes. I want to have my Post-it notes with me too. We have 4 plus 2. And you're thinking, how could I do that? Well, I'm going to show you another way that you can add. And I have with me my Legos. So I'm going to say, I need 4. So I'm going to count out 4 Legos. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4 gray Legos. Plus, I said I needed 2 more Legos. So now I'm going to use 2 white Legos. 1, 2 white Legos. So I have 4 plus 2 equals. So we have to put up that equals sign. 4 plus 2 equals. And we'll put the Post-it at the end. Or you could even make Post-it numbers as well. Let's count to see 4 plus 2 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 plus 2 equals 6. So you can practice writing numbers, and you could write in the number 6, or maybe you're using your cards and you may have a card that is the number 6, and you can see your 6 here as well. So let's try another one together. So I'm going to take my 4 down. I'm going to leave my 2 there, and I'm going to put up 3. So now I have 3 plus 2 equals. So I'll put a new Post-it up. Or if you have a dry erase board you're working on at home. And we have 3. So now I have to find 3 Legos. 1, 2, 3 Legos. And then how many do I need? 2. So I need 2 gray Legos, or whatever you're using to count with. 1, 2. So we have 3 plus 2 equals, let's see what it equals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5. We have 3, and then we have 2 more, and that equals 5. So you will practice writing your 5. Dive down, swim around, come back to the ground. And we made a 5. So 3 plus 2 equals 5. Let's try one more before I let you try this at home. I'm going to take away my 3, I'm gonna take away my 2. Let's take my number 5 down, and let's have 5. And, well, let's put the 3 back up again. So we have 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 equals, like I said, you can keep using those, or you can use your decks of cards to help you out. So what did I say? We need 5. So I need to find 5 blocks. Or again, if you're using something else, that works too, coins. So there's 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I have plus 3, so I have to add 3 more to my board. 1, 2, 3. So I have 5 plus, so I had 5 plus 3 more equals, can you guess? Ooh, I think you may have got it. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 plus 3 equals 8. And that's a bigger number. You make it like an S and close it up. And that's the number 8. So what we did 5 plus 3 equals 8. So those are ways that you can do them at home, boys and girls. Remember, you can use any types of cards. You could write them on Post-it notes. You could just draw them on scrap pieces of paper using your numbers, and then using Legos. You could use cereal pieces. Yesterday we used M&Ms. You can use anything that would work that you could manipulate around. That's why we call them our manipulatives. And you can use those and keep track of it as you go. All right, boys and girls, I hope you have fun doing these math activities. Bye-bye.